Hello guys, so in this video we will see about our module, that is manufacturing quality inspection. So basically this module provides functionality to test the quality of finished product during or after the manufacturing process. All right, and there will be different kind of parameters and configurations we have provided over here in our module. Key features are you can define the quality control point here. You can define various kind of configurations and various detailed configurations we have given in this module. Reconfirmation you can do, different kinds of quality alerts, manual as well as automatic quality alerts you can generate. So it will be manual as well as automatic. Okay, now you can also generate multiple quality alerts. You can also define you can also generate the email alerts. Okay, you can also define email alias while creating team. Okay, you can define the quality inspection. You can also define the quality checkpoints on the manufacturing work order. So whenever a product will be moved from one work order to the another work order, then you can also, if you want, you can also restrict that particular to proceed that finished product into the next work order if one of any quality control test is failed. So this kind of configurations we have given. So let's look at our module's functionality. So you will be able to see that first of all we have provided a dashboard basically. So this is the configuration part. So here you can define the quality alert teams. There will be different kind of teams you can define over here. All right, and here you will be also able to define quality alert stages. So like new, confirmed, action, proposed, sold, scrapped, like this you can define the stages. So it will be quite useful while creating the quality alert records. Okay, now you can also define the quality reason, that will be the defective, the product is broken or scratch or dent is there, like this. So it will be also useful while generating the and defining and generating the quality control checkpoint. Okay, now first of all let me show you the dashboard. That will be here. The summary of all kinds of quality control teams will be defined, and quality alerts that is assigned to different teams. So you can, by clicking on this button, you can also be able to see that. All right, now you can also define different colors for easy bifurcation of these teams, like this. Okay, now you can define the checks in progress, like this. So you can also define that this quality inspections records by just clicking on these buttons, this button, and here by clicking on settings part you can directly able to go to the configuration part of the quality control team. All right, now let me show you one quality control point over here. So as you can define that, I have already configured one quality control point. So here you will define the name of the quality control point, and a unique reference number will be automatically get generated. You can also define the version. So in case of multiple quality control point definition, right, for the same product, you can also define and bifurcate them via different version wise, you know, like 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, like that. Here you can define the product or product variant, for which you have to define the quality control point. Okay, here you have to define the team. So this team is responsible for this quality control testing, and here this one, the responsible person is that missile admin. So he is responsible for this quality testing. So we have also defined this operation. So you have to define the manufacturing operation. If you want to define quality control point for the manufacturing process, so you have to define the operation as manufacturing. In case of multi-company scenario, you can specify the respected company over here. Okay, Now we have also defined one option, that is automatic generate quality alert. So basically when any kind of quality control testing will be get failed, so when this option will be enabled, then automatically the quality alert will be generated in the record. Okay, here you can define the quality alert failure reason, like defective, broken, dent, just like that. Here is restrict is there. So basically when this option will be enabled, then when any kind of this quality control point will be get failed during quality testing, then the system will not allow you to proceed ahead. Okay, so for this this is restrict option will be is restrict option is provided. Now detailed quality inspection. So basically this will be used when this will be unticked, then you can be able to do the quality testing during the manufacturing process. And when this option will be ticked, then after manufacturing process will be done, then you will be able to test the finished product. Okay, now let me open this quality control point. So let me open this line. So you can define the name, the test type. So the measurement is there, the image, the choice will be there, text will be there. So here you can define the measurement and the tolerance like this. You can here in this image part you can upload an image for the finished product. Here for the choice you can define that either it is passed or either it is failed. And for the text you can simply write the text whatever you have found during the quality testing. Now here you can define the control type, like all operations. This quality control point will be defined for all kinds of operations. When it will be randomly, then the system will randomly do the quality testing. Okay, here you have to define the various options, control frequency. Okay, now the periodically will be also there, like when it will be periodically, then you have to define also the control frequency and the limit also. So the system will test the quality of the product in a cycle. Okay, now we have also taken the work order operation option over here. So you can also specify quality control point for a specific work order, like the cutting, drilling. So there will be different kind of work orders are given here. Okay, and if you want to restrict any kind of work order, so you can also do that. So when this option will be enabled, then when any of this quality testing will be get failed, then the system will not allow to proceed ahead for the next work order. Okay, or for the next process. All right, now here you have to write down the instruction, like quality testing choice, and in case of message failure you have to also define this. Okay, here you have to define the nodes. All right, now let me show you one bill of material that for which operation we will proceed. So I will just go to bill of materials. Okay, and you will be able to see that for the dash combination there are several components are defined. And here different work orders I have defined too. So like first of all it will go to the cutting part, then it will go to the drilling part, it will go to the assembly part, then it will go to the finalized part. Okay, now let me go to the manufacturing order and create one manufacturing order. So I will go here and will define the dash combination. Okay, and then I will define the quantity of this. Okay, so you will be able to see the work orders are here, coming here successfully. Now I will just save it and confirm this. All right, now you will be able to see that when I will just duplicate this tab, so you will be able to see that in quality, while defining the quality control point, so here I have defined it on these work order operations. Like first one is for I can define, just 1 minute. Okay, I have not defined for the work order operation. Okay, I have defined for the whole manufacturing process. Okay, that's fine. So you can see the button is coming here successfully. If you want to define it for the work orders, you can also define it by going to this option. Okay, all right. Now you can just click, you can just define this, start these work orders, and done this. Again start is, and when it will be get ready for the next stage. All right, okay, do this, done this. Okay, and this start this. All right, done this. All right, now I will just go to the quality inspections. So as you will be able to see that it is a control point 1, quality control point 1. So it will be, I am just giving it like it is passed. Okay, now system will ask me the second option, so to upload an image. Okay, so I will upload an image over here. Okay, now I am just giving here as fail. Okay, so you will be able to see one quality alert is successfully generated. So if I want, then I can also go here. You can see the final inspections. So these all results are successfully generated. I can go to the quality alerts. So in this respected quality alerts, I can define that the corrective actions, like corrective action 1, corrective action 2, like this. I can also define preventive actions, preventive 1, preventive action 2. I can also define the description, so it is like quality alert. All right, now I'm just defining it like it is resolved. So basically it is one kind of knowledge base, so that it will help the quality team to reduce this kind of errors in the future. Okay, so I will just go again to the respected manufacturing order, and you can be able to see final inspection over here. So when I will open this, I will be able to see the summary that it is getting passed here and it is failed here. So you will be able to see that in this quality control point configuration, you can see that I have enabled is restrict. So when I will click on mark as done, okay, then the system will give me warning like kindly check quality inspection status of the product, it should be passed. Okay, so this product status should be passed. Okay, and so let me go to this, and I have to click on pass. Okay, so for this pass and fail, we have also given the specialized user permission. So when the respected user will have this permission by going to settings, users, and then he or she will be able to make this quality inspection pass or fail. Okay, now I have passed this. You can see the whole status is getting to passed, and I will mark as done. So you will be able to see that it is now get done and the final product is prepared. All right, so that's all about how we can use our quality manufacturing quality control module to define the quality testing and while manufacturing process or at the end of the manufacturing process, and how we can also generate the quality alerts manually as well as automatically. All right, we have also our other modules available for like purchase quality inspection report, manufacturing quality inspection report, like that. So you can just search out our playlist for that, and our other videos we have already published, so you can just search it and play those videos. All right, if you will have any kind of question or suggestion, then don't hesitate us to send mail or contact us via Skype account. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.